A luxury living room isn't just about expensive furniture. It's about creating a space that feels elegant, refined, and effortlessly stylish. In 2025, luxury living room decor is all about combining comfort with sophistication, using high-quality materials, timeless color palettes, and thoughtfully curated design elements. Start with a strong foundation. Neutral tones like beige, cream, soft gray, or taupe set the perfect backdrop for a luxurious atmosphere. Add depth with accent colors like navy blue, emerald green, or rich burgundy through cushions, rugs, or statement chairs. These tones bring warmth and richness without overwhelming the space. Furniture selection plays a major role in defining luxury. Go for plush, well-upholstered sofas, marble or glass-top coffee tables, and gold or brass accents. Curved silhouettes and elegant textures like velvet or leather instantly add a high-end touch. Layered lighting is also key. Use a mix of chandeliers, floor lamps, and warm LED strips to highlight architectural features and create an inviting ambiance. For wall decor, think large statement art, mirrors with metallic frames, or textured wall panels. Incorporating natural materials like stone, wood, or even indoor plants adds balance and organic beauty to the room. Minimalist decor with a few bold,